Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode for all apps, even the app not supported the dark mode on your Android phone, usually using a built-in setting and hidden developer tool. Let's make your phone easier on the way. So let's get started. Some app don't offer to dark theme, especially older app or outdated app. First I will show you the dark mode. So I am now enabling the dark mode in my phone, as you can see guys. Now after enabling the dark mode, so when I open the WhatsApp will automatically enable the dark mode. Same when I open the Facebook, so it will also open in dark mode, as you can see guys. Same with the Instagram and Snapchat. But I have some app that not using the dark mode. For example, this app. As you can see guys, the app is not using the dark mode. So now I am going to forcefully enable the dark mode for this app. To do this guys, you don't need to do any extra hard work. So just open your phone settings like this. In the phone settings, scroll down and find out about phone. Open it and go to software information and tap on build number continuously 6 to 7 times. Okay, it will create the developer option on your settings page. As you can see guys, just open the developer option and enable the developer option. That's it. Okay, now scroll down and find out force dark mode. Force app to use dark mode even if not fully supported. Just need to enable this hidden setting. That's it. Now close this. Now open that app. First you need to clear the apps from the recent menu like this. Now open that app. Now also it will open in the dark mode, as you can see guys in my screen. Wait for a few seconds. Let's the app was properly open. As you can see guys, this app was also opening in the dark mode, as you can see guys. So that's it today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.